How to change your Facebook location settings. In other words, I'm going to show you how you can change location permissions in your Facebook. Alright, let's get started. First of all, open your app, and once you launch your app, you should be able to go to your profile by clicking here at the top right. And here you see the gear icon. You click on it to open the settings. And once you're in your settings, just scroll down until you find your activity, and under this you will find device permissions. Tap on it, and to access your location settings you can tap on see info, and here you should tap on update settings. This will ask you to open your device's settings, so just go with it and allow it to open your device settings. And from here you can go to permissions, and under permissions you can see locations. So if you want the app to access your location, you can just allow it, and if you don't want the app to access your locations, you just don't allow it and save this settings. So if you don't allow it, Facebook won't be able to track what you're interacting with or where you are. So you have to be mindful of that, and you can change your settings according to your choice. And that's how you can change Facebook location settings. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.